Right, so for the boat stand, the best way to do it is probably just click create a sketch on the top plane. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to go to rectangle, and you want to draw a rectangle somewhere there. Okay, then we're going to dimension that rectangle, so put the dimension on it. You're frozen in, it's okay. Okay, so rectangle somewhere there. Okay, this here is the one somebody else does 80. Okay, so 80 wide, and then the total length of it. Okay, the total length of the entire piece with all the bends in it would be the next size. So that's like 100, 150 is 250 by another 100 on top of that, 250, so it's 350. So you can make it a little bit different, make it 360. So that's the size there, okay? And then that's us. The next thing we want to do is we want to draw a center line, because I want to put a position for the ellipse. So this ellipse is in the ellipse command up here, that's ellipse. Click on it. You basically draw the center, then you draw the extent of the major axis, then you draw the extent of the minor axis. Then go to smart dimension, it's 60 between the two vertexes, 60, and from there to there is 25, I believe. Something up, 25, let's just check. 20. Okay, 20. Okay, 20 there. Okay, now the last thing then is we need to figure out how far we want that in. So from the end of the piece, maybe to that part there, we want to dimension that as being there to there, and we make it 60. Okay. Now the next thing you want to do there is you want to go to basically you're accepting that sketch, and we're going to use what they call a sheet metal command. So to do that, we need to go to Tools, then as far as Add-ins, right and wrong I can't remember, and we go down and we select Sheet Metal. Is it in here? No, it's not. So I know what we do. We right click anywhere on these tabs, and then we add in Sheet Metal. So I'm just going to select some of these ones away, just to clog it up my space. Okay. I'm going to right click, I'm going to make sure Sheet Metal is clicked in. That's how you add tabs and disconnect tabs there. Click on Base Flange, and that's basically the thickness of the piece. It's like extrude, but it's a wee bit different because it factors in that it can be bent. So we're going to say that's 3mm, because it's 3mm acrylic we're using, and we click on the green tick. And that is my base there. Okay. The one thing that I didn't do in that base flange was add in holes down here. So I'm going to just edit my sketch, Control and 8, go in there and add in my holes. Okay, so smart dimension those. What are we doing? 4mm holes maybe? Very well. Yeah. Distance from there to there. Make it maybe 30. And the distance from there to there. Make it 30 also. Now just accept that, that'll have it extruded. So that was a mistake on my part. Now the next thing you want to do then is you want to go up here and you want to go to Sketch Bend. So Sketch Bend is there. Now click on Sketch Bend. Okay, so you pick the surface that you want to draw on, then it automatically jumps to the sketch tool. Select the line and put that as being your first sketch bend. Press Escape and click on the green tick. Now then you get the option for bend parameters. You want to say that this here is the fixed face, and then we're going to bend it at maybe 45 degrees. And you can see that it's starting to bend there. Okay, we click on the green tick and we're happy enough with that. Go back, click on Sketch Bend, pick the surface that you want to create a sketch bend on, Control and 8, and then go in and put your next sketch bend in. Then go to accept that. You can go in and type the angle, so pick the fixed face, that's the fixed face there. So that's kind of the shape I want to do. We'll go 90 degrees this time and click on the green tick. So now there's my shape. Now see down here at the bottom of this is flat pattern. So because it's a sheet metal part, it allows you to flatten it at any point. So very handy for creating stuff like stuff that you're going to laser or stuff that you're going to create, you're going to fold up. So right click on that and you can come down to suppress. You can actually export it there for the purposes of the laser, but I want to suppress this. Things have changed a little bit since I last used this. You just click on that and say suppress. We'll go to flap better. Nope. Flatten or suppress. I'm not going to. Wow. Don't do this for long enough to get all of it. Anyway, that'll get us to the point. For the purpose of what Gary wants, just right click on that and go down to export PDX or DXF. Okay? Save that to call it Gary's vote. All I was trying to show you was a visually collapsed, but it's okay, we can do it there. Again, so just Gary's vote and click on save. And that'll then show it to him. Just click on the green tick. Okay, and that'll save it there for him. And that's what it'll cut the laser. It's all ready to go. Okay? So that's pretty much that.